Good afternoon, Miss.
Afternoon.
Okay, today we're going to do evaluation. I will evaluate I will ask from the vocabulary and then from the homework. Yeah. So I will start. From bahasa Indonesia. Apa prakarya?
Prakarya itu adalah kegiatan untuk membuat sesuatu dengan menggunakan tangan. Misalnya, kita membuat kerajinan rumah menggunakan beberapa stik kayu. Itu berarti kita membuat sesuatu dengan menggunakan tangan.
Pinggir.
Pinggir itu tepi atau sisi jalan. Pinggir itu bisa diartikan sebagai pembatas atau akhir dari suatu batas. Misalnya pinggir meja itu berarti akhir dari meja itu, di mana meja itu berakhir.
Okay. Now move to IPAS. Berongga.
Berongga adalah suatu ruang yang mengisi daerah tertentu atau ruang kosong di dalam tempat atau daerah tertentu. Misalnya ada seperti tabung atau rongga, mulut kita itu kan memiliki rongga seperti itu. Lubang di dalam ruang kosong di dalam suatu tempat atau di dalam sesuatu.
Berongga ya. Tanaman krisan.
Tanaman krisan adalah tanaman yang berwarna-warni, yang memiliki dan tumbuh di kebun dan memiliki banyak warna.
Ini sering digunakan untuk apa?
Sering digunakan untuk tanaman hias.
Pupuk?
Kalau pupuk itu bahan untuk menyuburkan tanah. Jadi kita menggunakan pupuk itu untuk menyuburkan tanah. Banyak petani atau tukang kebun yang menggunakan pupuk agar tanaman itu menjadi subur atau tanah itu menjadi subur.
Identitas.
Identitas itu adalah ciri khas pada diri kita. Ciri khas pada diri kita itu, identitas itu yaitu mengaruh pada sesuatu yang membuat atau ciri khas yang membuat diri kita itu unik daripada yang lainnya.
Suku.
Suku itu kelompok orang dengan suatu budaya tertentu. Jadi suku itu memiliki tradisi atau budaya yang sama sehingga mereka dapat membuat kita satu suku, kita memiliki makanan yang sama, yaitu misalnya rendang dari suku Padang seperti itu.
Logat.
Logat itu cara berbicara seseorang. Logat itu cara berbicara seseorang. Cara berbicara seorang berdasarkan daerah tertentu. Misalnya logat Jawa itu berbeda dengan logat Batak itu, atau Jakarta. Logat orang Jakarta berbeda dengan logat orang Medan seperti itu.
Okay. Now we move to health education. Decay.
Decay is when your teeth get hurt. The long definition is decay. It means your teeth damaged by the germs and sugar. And you can save your teeth by applying or following the good habit for your life.
Germ
is a tiny bugs that can make us sick. For example, germ is tiny creature that cannot see by our eyes, and we need tools like a microscope to see the germs, and then germs also can make us sick.
Okay. Now we move to English. Go sledding.
Go sliding down hills on sled refers to riding down snowy hills by using a sled which vehicles 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 that designed for sledding.
So did you practice this, or I mean like showing?
Or maybe I just showing the picture of the sledding in their book.
Okay, so did you explain that when can we do this like that?
Yeah, maybe you can use these tools when you want to play in the snowy hills.
Go skiing?
Go skiing is sliding down sliding down snowy on a skis. On a skis like mean to participate in the sport um, of riding down on a snow. I forget this. Yeah. Go skiing.
Forget.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, use skis as for do skiing. On usually done do in the snowy hills.
So both of them are used
Just different from the tools only. If the sledding use a sled, if the skiing use the skis.
but the place is same.
Same.
Okay, we move to computer. Zigzag.
Zigzag is line up and down, and the long definition, zigzag is a fun line that moves in sharp turns, and then they can look like a mountain. That the shape that pattern makes look like a mountain, because when we draw up and down, I will practice to them how to make zigzag line.
You will, it means you haven't.
You haven't already? Oh yeah, I have because today is computer.
But you have shown them.
Yes, I have shown to them how to make the zigzag line.
Code?
Code is a special way to write message, or a secret way to write message that only some people know it.
So did you practice this?
I just like what? Yeah, I just when you buy a snack, there is a code in the snack, and then only the cashier can read the code like that. And then after the cashier show the barcode of the code that one, so you can know the price.
If if you still have enough time, I think you can find out maybe like an interesting activity, like maybe asking them like, okay, make your own code and then ask your friends to guess. Can they guess that? I think. But if you have
Maybe
enough
maybe
time,
can we do in special activities, CPQ maybe next week.
next week, yeah.
Next week, 2 weeks.
2 weeks later.
2 weeks later.
Diagonal lines.
Diagonal lines is a line that go across corners, and then diagonal lines. Diagonal line is slanted line that connects corners of the shape, and then can make a shape look different.
Okay, now we move to science. Okay. Receive, what is that?
Receive is to get something from someone. Receive is when you get something from someone, it means you receive it.
It means
It means you receive it. It can be present or message or even some.
okay. Implant.
Implant is a small device input inside our body. So implant can help us to hear also. So a doctor put an implant inside our ears, that like a tool that help us to hear something.
So this is used. This is put inside our body.
Yeah, put inside our body. Something that put inside our body.
This is only for hearing.
No, some implant. There are some kinds of implant. I think is for the.
But in this book,
for
focus
hearing,
only for
just hearing.
our ears.
Yes, our topic is about sound.
Oh, quieter.
Quieter is make less noise and small, and refers to making less noise or small noise, soft noise from another source of sound. Soft sound, less noise. So can be quieter. If you make soft sound, less noise, it means you make quieter.
Closer.
Closer is nearer in distance. It means like close with another. You are my close friend. You are closer to your friend. So it means you sit near your friends.
Cochlear. Cochlear.
Cochlear is part of our ears that can help us to hear. Part of our ears that help us to hear. And then it can change wave to signal for our brain.
So it can help to change the signal.
Yes. Like saraf maybe signal.
Oh. Okay, now we move to homework, Miss. Oh, this is about arranging the words, yeah.
What is that? English.
Yes, English. Okay, so if I ask, are you I-N-N-G-N?
That's about go skiing, I think. Skiing.
Are you I-N-N-G-N?
R-U-I-N-G-N. Running. Running.
S-F-U-R-G-I-N.
Surfing.
K-S-G-I-I-N.
Skiing.
D-L-E-S-G-I-G-N.
Sledding.
Sledding. Okay. So, in this topic, also you talk about month, is it? You talk about month also.
Month.
Not money. Day, yeah. Day. Okay, so how can you explain this, Miss, to students?
Because in this week, we will learn about assessment and the last page of the book. So maybe I will explain one by one like that. Do you know there are 7 days in a week? So after that, we will mention together, and then after that, I ask them what day is before this one. So I hope they can.
So
understand.
far,
Yeah, they can.
they could
Understand.
understand.
Only some of them 3 or 2 cannot.
Contoh tumbuhan semua apa, Miss?
Bunga mawar, bunga kembang sepatu, kapas.
Bagaimana sirih dan anggur? Itu tanaman yang bagaimana itu, Miss?
Sirih dan anggur itu adalah
Batangnya bagaimana gitu?
tanaman yang tipis dan lemah, kayaknya itu pemanjat.
Pemanjat.
Pemanjat tipis dan lemah dia. Sehingga dia bergantung pada batang lain atau tumbuhan lain.
Berarti sama dengan parasit.
Tidak, itu kalau bukan bergantung sih, memanjat pada tumbuhan lain. Jadi anggur itu harus ada penopangnya, jadi dia bisa merambat ke atas, itu pemanjat.
Tapi
Memanjat
dia
ke
tidak
atas. Tidak
merugikan.
bergantung, tidak merugikan.
Benang yang digunakan untuk membuat pakaian berasal dari mana, Miss?
Tumbuhan kapas.
Contoh tumbuhan yang hidup di air?
Teratai, enceng gondok, rumput laut, terumbu karang.
Ini memasangkan ya, memasangkan tumbuhan.
Tapi
Kalau mangga itu
mangga itu pepohonan.
Mawar
itu semak. Semangka itu perambat.
Gandum
itu herba. Kalau salah herba. Gandum herba.
apa yang digunakan untuk menyuburkan tanah?
Pupuk.
Gas yang dibutuhkan makhluk hidup ketika bernapas?
Oksigen atau apa? Oksigen
Oksigen.
atau udara? Oksigen kayaknya.
A sound is louder if we are
Get closer with the sun.
closer. A device that can help such people hear is
Implant. Cockroach implant or implant only?
cochlear implant. Okay. So how can we communicate by how can we communicate with other people? If we don't have any sound, for example.
We can use sign language or code to speak with another people to understand our words.
Okay. Now we move to computer. What kind of device is a computer mouse?
Mouse is an input device.
A small pointing device is commonly referred to as what?
Mouse.
So how many buttons in the mouse? On the mouse?
2 buttons.
2. So index finger used to
pointing something or to index.
Index finger.
To
What does it use for?
to press the right or left, right button, let's see.
Right or left?
Left. Left button.
Mouse pad?
Mouse pad is to help a mouse move.
If only mouse?
To scroll page up and down or to move the cursor.
How about middle finger?
Middle finger is to press the right buttons.
Coba berikan satu contoh kata yang mengandung suku kata LO.
Bahasa Indonesia?
Iya, bahasa Indonesia.
Lobang, lorong, lompat.
Oke. Gampang bahasa Indonesianya.
Iya.
Apa yang kita lakukan agar keluarga tetap rukun?
Apa harus ikuti peraturan yang ada dalam keluarga itu, Miss.
Oke, ayah dan ibu disebut kepala keluarga, benar atau salah, Miss?
Benar.
Kenapa? Kenapa?
Karena ayah mencari nafkah dan ibu juga kadang-kadang mencari nafkah untuk keluarga. Ibu juga membantu mengurus keperluan keluarga.
Makanya mereka disebut kepala keluarga gitu
makanya
ya.
mereka
Berarti
disebut
bukan
kepala
cuma ayah disebut kepala keluarga.
Ayah dan ibu. dua-duanya.
Oke, rukun adalah hidup harmonis dan damai. Benar atau salah itu, Miss?
Benar, Miss.
Oke. Saya bermain dengan adik dengan rukun.
Benar. Benar. Rukun.
Benar atau salah?
Saya membuat adik menangis.
Bermain dengan adik dengan rukun.
Rukun.
Bagaimana? Oke, bagaimana Miss menjelaskan tentang rukun ini ke
Rukun
murid-murid?
itu suatu apa ya? Suatu sifat atau suatu kriteria yang harus kita lakukan di dalam rumah kita, bukan hanya di rumah sih, di sekolah juga. Rukun itu maksudnya kita tidak saling berantem, tidak saling mengejek, dan kita harus saling menyayangi, patuh pada peraturan, sehingga rumah kita itu, hidup kita itu menjadi rukun, tidak melawan orang tua.
Apa yang dimaksud dengan logat?
Logat itu cara berbicara sesuai daerahnya tertentu, sesuai daerah tertentu.
Apa yang kita lakukan ketika berkenalan dengan teman baru?
Mengajaknya berbicara dengan sopan, atau menanyakan nama atau umur, menanyakan alamat, menyapanya.
Okay, now we move to health education. What happens if there are many germs on our teeth?
Our teeth will be decay, or our teeth will be hurt.
So how do we prevent that?
Brush your teeth, and then always clean your mouth.
Why cannot we see the germ?
Because the germ is very small.
Alright, I think it's enough for the evaluation for today, Miss. Yes, I have asked almost all the subjects from the homework, from the vocabulary, and then you could explain them well. So I think you pass in this evaluation, Miss. Okay, Miss.